Hi guys! Today we will unboxing a new gadget from Xiaomi.
A huge size tablet, Mi Pad 4 Plus.
The packaging looks simple, beautiful with Mi logo at the corner. There is also a big number 4 written on the front with a plus. At the back, there is a sticker show the main specification of the tablet. As you can see from the right, it is mentioned that it has huge battery, 820 mAh capacity, screen size 10.1 inches and the processor Snapdragon 660 chipset. The tablet here we have is the black color variant with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. There is also higher capacity variant sports 128GB storage, and this tablet available in white color too.
Let's open the packaging and have a look first at the device. First, there is a tablet itself. It looks huge with 10.1 inch and 16:10 aspect ratio. So here is the tablet. It feels right on your hand when you hold it. It's around 485 grams. Let's put aside the tablet. We take a look at the box. At the box there are some basic stuff like this, the manual book, and at the back there is the SIM ejector, and we take a look here. There is the USB Type-C cable. It is wrapped in plastic, and also got the power adapter that support 5 volts and 2 ampere. So there's nothing else here. Let's get our hands on the tablet itself. So this is the tablet. As you can see, it's running MIUI 9.6. It has a matte plastic protector here to prevent scratches. So let's open up. The size is much way bigger than its sibling, the Mi Pad 4. So this is the side to side. The Mi Pad 4 Plus has 5 megapixels front camera that support face recognition, and it has also fingerprint sensor which is fast and responsive. And at the top there is 3.5mm headphone jack along with the infrared sensor.
At the bottom, there is a USB Type-C part with speakers, volume button and power button located at the right side of the tablet. So this is our unboxing of Mi Pad 4 Plus.
And if you guys have any question, do let us know on the comment section below.
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for the next video,
because we will do a comparison between Mi Pad 4 Plus and Mi Pad 4.
Bye bye.